Trust me, bud.
Toothless!
Come back to me. We can do this. You and me. As one. 300 years, and I'm the first Viking who wouldn't kill a dragon. You are my best friend, bud. What are you looking at?
Almost there, buddy, almost there! Boss!
First to ride one, though. Hiccup, we just discovered the thing we've been after since Vikings first sailed here, and you want to keep it a secret? To protect your pet dragon? Are you serious?
Come on, bud! Hold on!
Yes. Once you've earned his loyalty, there is nothing a dragon won't do for you. You never cease to amaze me, bud. And this is Toothless. You got it, bud. He says we're going.